Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Roses. What do you do when we get near the winter season? Well, when it gets cold, most roses in the southern part of the U.S. are probably fine, or for that matter, around the world. If your area gets into real sub-freezing temperatures, we're talking teens or below, you probably need to think either about taking some dirt like we have here and kind of mounding it up around the base of your rose plant. It kind of gives you an insulation factor, or you can use mulch as well. Take that mulch just like the root system and up over the base of the plant. I kind of like the mulch better than the dirt if the dirt's going to stay too moist during the winter season, because moisture and fungus sometimes causes trouble. Now, if you just have an area where you're worried about a little bit of a freeze, you might take something like this cloth. Take a sheet, pillowcase, something you've got at home. Take this and cover over the entire plant. Maybe put some bricks or something on it, because with most cold fronts, you also have a lot of cold wind coming through. So if you've got 20 or 30 mile an hour wind, you may find your covers over in the neighbor's yard. Cover to the ground. It helps hold some of that radiant heat. And it's especially good if we're going down into the teens or below. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.